Time for fun at the GUGU GAGA Penguin Playground. Uh-oh, the penguin girl's natural enemy! Help has arrived. Now get lost before a house falls on you. Why don't you come with us? Here, step inside. Now that's our cue to make an exit. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking Jack-in-the-Boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up. And you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own Jack. Except this Jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. Aw, someone's got a cold. Granted, she's always cold. Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, inspiration strikes! Grab an image of our favorite penguin girl and keep her down with tape. Now let's punch out all those unneeded edges. And don't forget our secret ingredient, green slime. Hey, she's got a messy face, just like you. Let's show you what we can do. Just a simple wipe. Try it, please. Someone likes sweets. Wait till she finds out you can remove the wrappers. But you can't eat the entire bowl of candy. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak, and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part. Can't fall asleep? Ooh, there's a monster under your bed? Ah, it's just Santa. And unlike monsters, he's real. Santa only appears when you're sleeping. So we just have to convince him that it's daytime. What we need is a powerful nightlight. Now we just need to whip up a special potion. It's like we've got a whole glass of sunshine. And I'm not talking orange juice. Off to the North Pole for him, and bed for you. Well, no use crying over spilled bubble solution. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow. It's painting time! Wait, was that the Grinch? That guy is always stealing things. First Christmas, now this? But we can fix that. Just mash up a carrot. Now you can paint anything orange, like another carrot or orange. Oh no, he took green too. Well, grab a cucumber and get chewing. I wonder if this trick also works on pickles. Well, if it works, it works. Now get painting. Before the Grinch decides to steal aquamarine. Wow, it's like we're back in Sprunky Land. Ooh, do I smell a crossover video? Oren and Pinky are having fun at the park. Come on, kids, why not join in on the fun? Wait, what are you up to? Careful with that stick! Hey, at least aim for the slide next time. Well, at least you can say you stuck the landing. Don't worry, a new friend could be right around the corner. Come on, you guys are gonna travel in style. Yeah, Mom doesn't need to know who followed you home. To the sink! You guys could use a bath. All it takes is a little soap, water, and elbow grease. Hope that bow's not dry clean only. Okay, Oren, it's your turn. Oh no! Does your face hurt? Well, it's killing us. Don't worry, we can fix you up. All better. And let's throw in a quick shave, too. Probably should pop that pimple while we're here. Ah, you two have never looked better. You guys are hungry? Let's check out the kitchen. Ooh, Mom's got quite the spread laid out. Don't worry, I'm sure she won't notice. How about some fish? Not pescatarians, I see. A carrot? No. Okay, we need to rethink this. In fact, why don't we make a kitchen just your size? Nobody can say no to noodles. Ooh, looks like it's the instant kind. And there's plenty enough for the two of you. Wait, silly sprunkies, we need toppings. Some sausages and broccoli. For some extra protein, how about a quail egg? Though it's practically an ostrich egg for you guys. Ooh, do you guys need antacid or something? What goes in must come out eventually. But first, I think you've earned a pizza break. How old is that? Either way, grab that cardboard. Stack up some more boxes and add some wallpaper. And soon, your sprunkies will have their own privy. Yeah, let's add a bag for an easy disposal. Okay, guys, who wants to break it in? Maybe we should close those curtains. Your turn, Oren. Hey, did you wash your hands? Well, we might as well check out the damage. Feeling flushed? Didn't you hear about letting sleeping dogs lie? After all, this girl's a real ball of energy. Well, either way, someone's sleeping good tonight. Yeah, maybe we should look into it. Uh-oh, Oren, Pinky, you're all to pieces. Well, brick by brick, we'll put you back together. Don't worry, soon you'll have a good head on your shoulders. Plus a few other necessary accessories. You're never fully dressed without antennae. See? You're feeling just as animated as ever. And you look it too. Something tells me you should turn down the volume. Don't worry, she's a little nearsighted. Why, she won't even notice that book's upside down. See? So say hi to Aslan for Mom. By the way, did you notice there's a disco in your cabinet? Oh, it's just a giant blowout party with planned choreography and a bespoke song. Anyone thirsty? We'll get the apple juice ready. Did I say juice? Silly me. I meant the turntables. Make some holes for buttons. We're going real high tech. Add a rainbow. It's kind of a sprunky thing. How about we empty that can next? After all, the speakers are the stars of the show. Come on, everybody. This will really get the party started. What's cooler than cool? Cool Tool! I think it's time we squeeze in some homework. Tired? Well, I guess a quick nap won't hurt. Careful, you two! Oh no! You deleted her work! Well, some candies will cheer you up. I think she's got an idea. Let's start by polishing up this box. Here's a familiar face. It's Funbot. We're gonna give him a full body makeover, complete with a brand new motherboard. And you just can't beat a widescreen. It looks like our sprunkies want to play. After all, they'll get to see some old friends. Uh-oh, it's starting to look like Halloween. That's enough digital fun for one day. I think it's time for all of us to hit the hay. But we'll need to make one more craft first. And this box sure could use some legs. It's a Simon TV, and it's already got antennae. Some people love to fall asleep watching TV. But this really puts a new spin on things. Besides, it really helps with hiding in plain sight. Turn off the TV. It's time for bed. And it looks like Mom's none the wiser. Pay no attention to the sprunkies behind the curtain. Aw, they're asleep. Not a bad idea. Wake up! Mama needs you to go to the market. All the essentials. And the sprunkies want to come too. The eggs are over here. Hey, where are you two off to? Let's see, fresh fruit and something crispy. I mean, fruit's sweet, but so is candy. And soda too. Some sprunkies really have a sweet tooth. You remembered Mom's Labubus, right? Well, it's checkout time. Keep the change. Hold on, you've got some unchecked items. A lot! This looks like a job for store security. Miss, do you care to open that bag? Well, someone's gonna spend time in grocery jail. Don't worry, the sprunkies are here to help. Maybe we should introduce Mom to your new friends. You can only hide them for so long. These guys really do leave an impression. Okay, we need to hide the evidence. I don't think Mom will notice, do you? What are we gonna do with it anyway? Here's an idea. Fill it up with hot glue. Pink, naturally. And add some glitter. Add a pin-on back before it dries up. A new pinky! Don't forget the bow. Always keep her on and in your heart. Running out of ways to hide the sprunkies? No matter. Something tells me Mama knows. But I wouldn't get too worried about it. After all, she's practically their biggest fan. The problem now is that she'll want you to collect the rest.